Good morning. Welcome to vlog number 1. Rich and I took the weekend off to hang out and spend time with each other. Rich, do you have anything to say?
No.
Okay. We are going to go work out and then go to the mall and then go to the beach. Hopefully the weather turns out nice. And then go get dinner. So are you ready for the day?
Yeah.
Don't seem too excited. Done at the beach. Now we're going to the mall to get Rich a new bathing suit because he doesn't own bathing suits. He legit only wears exercise shorts. So, or he wears my dad's bathing suits. So, he needs a new bathing suit. I don't know, I think we're looking pretty tan.
Your shit's upside down.
Oh, it is?
Yep. Don't want to take a picture of it upside down.
I'm not taking a picture, I'm taking a video because
Nope,
we're
take a video.
vlogging.
I don't want to.
We went to the store, we showered, and now we're going bar hopping.
Bar hopping.
Not to dinner because you don't want to go to dinner. Even though we are going to dinner if we're going to Frank.
Have a good night. Peace.
We just finished restaurant number 1. We are now en route to restaurant number 2. Let's get this queso.
Hey, Tate, 4 years at UNH,
Yes.
1 year at work, and
Yeah.
another year at work, plus your master's.
Yeah. Cheers. Thank you.
That's the 3, and then we mix up the
It's a lot of process. Good morning. I'm so happy, even though I was so tired. Last night, all my friends and Rich and my family surprised me with a surprise graduation party. And I just can't stop smiling. I'm so freaking happy. I just love my friends, and that's actually the first surprise party that someone's ever thrown me, so I'm feeling very cool. But yeah, half of my friends actually slept over in my living room last night. So I'm gonna go check on them. Friends, if you're watching this, or family, thank you again. I literally love you from the bottom of my heart. I'm so freaking happy and hungover, but mostly happy. Okay, let's go check on my friends because I feel like they're probably dying.
Right now.
I can't get over talking about high maintenance. This mattress.
High maintenance is genius.
It's literally higher than the couch.
And I don't feel.
No longer hungover and hungry, just hungover. Huh? Chef's kiss. 10 out of 10.